Hi fooders, I present you my Fankasau recipe with me and Taushe. Even though this is a popular northern food actually, and some people have this with me and Taushe while others prefer it with sugar. So in my bowl, I'm going to add some garam Fankasau mixed from AA Aldis spices and food. After that, I'm going to add some water mixed to form a batter that is not as watery as that of puff puff. At the same time, it shouldn't be thick. So you're going to fry this in sizzling hot oil. That way it won't absorb oil. Make sure you fry some onions in the oil to give it that nice aroma. So to make the shape, you're going to add some oil into onto your fingers and then you're going to flatten out the dough and then add it into your hot oil. As simple as that. Just watch the video and practice. So once you put it in the oil, it's going to like swell, or how will I even call this? Puff. And then you keep flipping until you reach the desired color that you want. I prefer mine to be this slightly golden color, but you can leave it to be more brown than this. I serve this with me and Taushe. If you want the recipe, comment down below. But when I was eating mine, I ate mine with raw granulated sugar because honestly, that was how I grew up eating pankaso in my house. So, do you like the recipe? Bye.